Now with the help of this circular brush, put the imprints in this manner, small as well as large, and then making petals in this way. You have to make the rays like this. On all of the circular patterns that you have created, you have to do the same thing with all of them. Keep on making these imprints, and with the help of light brush on all the circles that you have created. Now let's see what are we going to do next. Proceeding further, you have to join them using your green shade and thin stem like this. Let's see what in the end are we going to get. Isn't it a beautiful bouquet of flowers? Damn it is. Create it and join it with the help of string and tie a knot. Now let's see, fold the paper like this, and with the help of the tissue paper or any paper, you can put the imprints of spray in this manner. Put the colors all around this, and you can use a shade of your choice, and then you can put it further. Keep on giving the imprints in this manner so as to get an amazing, beautiful, real look. Keep on doing with all the imprints that you have made, and another you have to overlap it, and then with the help of green shade you have to join them together by making thin stems like this. And yes, you have to make the birds as well, and again the leaves also. Keep on making these and you will get an amazing, different, beautiful, lovely flowers to decorate your room. And further, you can tie a knot like ribbon.